A quick tip how to use Ctrl+R and cut only face, not entire mesh. If I go to edit mode and press Ctrl+R, I just got a lot of cuts around the object. But if you want to cut only the single face, not entire mesh, select the face, press I on the keyboard to separate it from the mesh, then press Ctrl+R. If I have to make a few cuts on a single face, I don't get all extra verticals. Thanks for watching, see you next time.